Good morning. It's March 25th. I'm going to be getting ready to do my stuff. I take a little break in the morning. I start work kind of early. Windows are open. Guess who's joining me in the office this morning? There! Look at that. He loves the sounds. The birds. What are you looking at, bud? Oh, nothing can take his eyes away. Right, buddy? Say, hey, come on. We need some more subscribers. We're almost at 200. We're doing so well. And we still don't know what it means, but we like watching the numbers rise. It's so fun. And we're staying consistent. Consistent fun. How's that? Buddy. That a boy. Yeah. Well, you guys have a really good day. We'll probably post a little later. And, yeah, enjoy the day. Oh my God, I gotta do something with this mop. Take care, everyone.